the baby? I have to take care of the baby.
Where is it?
Tio, where is baby?
Over there. Where's the baby?
Oh, there she is. The baby's crying. What does the baby need when she cries? Maybe what is this?
It's a bottle.
It's a bottle. Maybe the baby needs a bottle. Oh, the baby needs one of us to feed her. Can you feed the baby?
Tio.
Let's go closer. Put the bottle in her mouth.
Okay. Can you feed the baby?
Go feed the baby.
Go, Tio.
Baby, stop.
Go feed the baby.
Tio. Go see.
He started crying again.
Go see. Go feed the baby, Tio. Go see.
Very careful.
Now you do.
Make the baby. It's okay. The baby's crying. Can you please give the baby a bottle?
Good job.